Welcome to Double Over, another of ProfitHub's bot engines. A quick, hands-on walkthrough of the whole panel. Let's dive in. Double Over is a signal-based over trader for Deriv synthetics indices. It reads the recent digits, scores how likely an overtrade is to win, and only arms when its confidence is high enough. And it works! 2 over predictions at once, a first and a second barrier. To open it, go to the top menu, choose Bot Engines, and select the Double Over tab. On the left, you configure the bot. On the right, you see its live signal. At the top, the last digit strip shows the most recent ticks rolling in. This is the live data the analysis is built on. In Config, first pick your market any derived volatility index. Then set your 2 over barriers. First over, P1, is the main prediction. Second over, P2, is the paired one. The bot wins when the last digit lands over your chosen barrier. Next, your numbers. Stake is your base trade size, and ticks sets the contract length. Target profit stops the bot once your profit reaches it. Mart Splits and Mart Level control the recovery martingale after a loss. And percent win over stake tunes how the recovery stake is sized. Adjust these to your own risk. Now, the most important part, the signal panel. It shows the current prediction, the side, and a live confidence percentage. When confidence rises above your threshold, the bot shows armed, the setup is ready to trade. Below, live probabilities show, for each barrier, the percentage of recent ticks landing over and under, and the trigger level each one needs. This is exactly what drives the confidence score. When the signal is armed and you're happy, press start. The bot tracks your profit and loss, wins, losses, stake, and deficit in real time. A quick, honest note. Synthetic index digits are random. A high confidence is not a guarantee, and martingale can grow your stake fast. Always start on a demo account, and never trade money you can't afford to lose. That's Double Over. Read the signal, wait for armed, and start on demo. For more tools and support, visit ProfitHub.trade or find ProfitHub on Telegram, WhatsApp, YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. Thanks for watching.